Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Nothing Ear 2 buds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix does the sound from your earbuds does shudder or is intermittent. So, first check whether your earbuds and phone or tablet are updated to their latest versions. When using the earbuds, avoid obstructing the area around the phone camera to ensure the smooth reception of signals. Somewhere here, in the top here. Disable spatial audio, disable dual connection mode, dynamic latency and audio sharing, and disable HD audio, which is all back. Goodbye!